Man, I wish there was something that would remember my passwords for me. I need my LinkedIn password right now because I need a job. I can't find it. I wish there was something that could store my passwords for me. Yeah, it's Password Manager. A password manager is a program that stores passwords, creates strong ones, and can fill them in automatically when you go to websites. If you have an Apple device, this is the Passwords app, which stores all your passwords in one place. A password manager just has one master password, which is maybe a 6-digit password that you can remember, and you won't have to remember all of your passwords. It makes it so much easier to keep strong, secure passwords for all of your websites while not having to remember all of it. Most phones and laptops have native password managers, like the Password app on Apple devices. The passwords that they generate are almost impossible to hack, so it's much better than what you probably have now. Additionally, you don't have to remember them, as I said before. It's a great load off your brain. You don't need to move over everything at once. You should start with your banks or your credit cards. After that, you can move over less essential things, like a Netflix account. But you should pick that master password carefully, because that's the password that gives people access to all of them. So pick it carefully. Make sure it's long, and make sure it has lots of characters, lots of letters, and lots of numbers, so that nobody can access your other passwords. Let's keep those scammers via blocked with these good passwords.